What's good, everyone? This is 𝗖адцः, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Just wanted to hop on camera to give you a little review on my lead gen secrets and showing you here in the back office what this platform has to help you generate leads to your business or whatever business that you want to promote. I had just got back on this platform. Before I was on here some time ago, but I had left it, and but I had decided to come back because I seen some reviews on it, and I seen that people was getting results with this platform. So I did the same and got back on here. Then I started seeing certain results as I had progressed and as I had tried out the services for myself. But this is very, very helpful if you're an online marketer and you're struggling to get leads and you may not have the funds to get, cost per click or any high paid traffics like Udemy or other types of paid traffic sources. So this is one incredible way that you can get into this at a nice budget. If you're trying to budget and you're getting at that for a low cost, this could really, really, really help you. And with my lead gen secret, you can be able to get 100 leads every 24 hours. You get 100 leads that comes into your back office. Now these leads is scrubbed, which means that they not leads that already been used before, but these are business seekers, individuals that's looking for opportunities. So they come here in the back office. They come here on your platform, and then they will load up, and you will start to see their emails. You'll start to see where these leads are coming from, where they're coming from, United States or any first world countries. You'll see them coming in. So I'm gonna scroll down here at the bottom, as you can see that this system does work. And these are some of the emails that I have send. You're allowed to send one email every 24 hours. And you can see some of the subject lines that I have over here. You can see how many leads were sent, and they have date to date. You can see how many have opened, how many have clicked, and the open rate and the click through rate. You can see all those type of statistics. And this is to give you a little guide. Once you watch the quick start video to get you started and how you can get started with my my lead gen secret. My bad. And if you hover over here on my leads tab, this is where all your leads will sit to you. You can check out. I'm not going to click on these eyeballs because they'll pull up some information of other users, and I don't want to expose their privacy. But once you click on the eyeball, you can see that which leads came in for that day. So these are all your dates, and then they'll let you know like when the next time the next set of leads that come in. So as you can see, my next leads come in at 8 hours and 46 seconds. Okay. And right here is the master email swipes. Now I haven't purchased this yet, but I soon will, where they give you about 30 emails that you can send out to your prospects, said just to follow up with them. And this is an email series, and it's all done for you. So you don't have to worry about writing out any type of email copies or anything like that. Especially if you're not good with email copies, you don't have to write them out. The master email swipes, they do that for you. So everything is done for you. All you have to do is plug in your link and put your other information in there. Like if you want your picture in there, just to brand your cell phone, you can use that in the email swipes. So here go hovering over the mailing system list. These are where your leads, if you want to select all the leads to be sent out that day, it goes by. So just in case if you missed a day, or if you missed a day previously, it would be loaded all right here, so you can send them all at one time. Now you have right here where it's save email. So everything that you do, it will save here in the back office. So whatever email that you have assigned, it's going to be right here. If you click the tab, you get to load, which ones that you want to be able to reuse again, because in case you could reuse them. So that's real good. You put your subject right here, and you got the variables if you want to put the person's first name, your first name, last name or whatever. And this is where you put your body email at. So you put all your information right here. If you want to do any change ups, you put it right there. You want to put in an image, you can put an image right in there, and everything is decoded. Like if you want to put your link, to whatever offer or whatever that you want them to be redirected to, you could do that. And perfect timing. It's pretty much, they predict, when the delivery hour each day of your leads. In a nutshell, it's the time slot when the subscriber is most likely to open and click your emails based on the historical activity. So, I guess they base it on, when the last login of a person, and they actually send it on time to the person that probably just had opted in already. So, if you want to read about that, you can go deeper into that. But if you choose not to put it at a perfect time, you can leave it off. And so you hit your send mail. Now, even before you send a mail, you could see a preview, so you can see the preview of how everything is laid out, just in case if you want to correct anything like that. These is just statistics. Now, these is where all your clicks come in. You can see what different emails is doing. How they performing, and usually you want to be strategic. You can see, when these leads come in, you can see your best percentages, and those are the ones that that work. So this is where you can do some testing. You can do a lot of testing with that. All right. And here's the affiliates. These is where you can send which different types of link. You're going to see your employee. You can see your affiliate ID right here. So whatever, this is assigned to you once you get started with My Lead Gen and everything. This is where you can be able to get, you get paid, with your affiliate. So they're going to tell you about the compensation plan, Also, I do want to tell you, once you get a lead or you get one lead, instead of getting 100 leads per day, you're going to get 200 leads per day. So that's very, very valuable. So, you can send out more emails a day, said to 200 leads or however you have on your downline. So this is very helpful if you try to budget. You try to budget your money and you don't want to spend too much in advertisement. You pay $30 a month. That's all you got to pay, $30 a month, to be able to continuously use this. And think about this. All those leads that add up. Just within a month, you could get 3,000 leads that come in or more, just in a month within 30 days. So that's what makes this so powerful. And you can send out whatever offer, you can plug in whatever offer to your leads. This is how you can get leads on a daily basis. These are the different emails that you could use to market your opportunity. You can use banner ads. Say if you got a website, you can use banner ads or whatever. In upcoming videos, I will show you that, how you can use My Lead Gen or different types of low cost sites that you could be able to push it. I'll show you with that. But if you like to get started with me, click the link in the description below. I have some different tactics that I use to be able to promote My Lead Gen and promote any other opportunity. You also can check out the other offers that I have if you want high ticket commissions. They will be down in a link below. And also, if you would like to connect with me on Facebook, the link in the description will be below, because I'm always, willing to talk, willing to connect. So that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, and leave your comments below for any upcoming tips, tricks, and other opportunities that I may have for you guys. I will have that with you here on Double Up with Astro. All right, you guys, peace.